Hello dear students, many of the students have clicked the thumbnail because they have anxiety that 50 plus 30 plus 15, that is 95, where is that 5? They are not considering that what is 50, what is 30, what is 15, but they are more interested that where is that 5. That is a human tendencies for me also, that we whatever in front of our eyes, more than that we are looking something which is not there. It's a human mindset, nothing wrong in that. Now, what is that gate formula? Before deriving that formula, let me tell you one thing that might be a disclaimer, that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 is identity that is valid for all humans in this earth. Perpendicular square plus base square is hypotenuse square, that is theorem that is valid everywhere. But that gate formula is not an identity, it is not a theorem, it is not a law. Person to person, situation to situation, teacher to teacher, it may vary a little. But yes, moreover, whatever the formula I am telling you, it will be like this only. A slight fluctuation is expected, but not much. Now, when the students are preparing, they always have an inquiry, that strategy, concepts, revision, test series, concepts. What is more important? What is the proportions of all these things for clearing the gate exam with the top ranks? That proportion I am telling you in this video. The first and foremost thing is concepts. Guys, after your graduation, after your BTech, you will be giving GATE, engineering services, state service examination, PSUs will take their own exam, plus SSC JEE. From all those examinations, the GATE is the only examination which gives 3 minutes on an average for every question. 65 questions, 180 minutes. For every question, it is giving you approximately 3 minutes, which is highest of all the exams I have just mentioned. That gives you the hint that here the questions will be the deepest of the level. So concepts are most important for this exam. Then the 30% proportion you can go or you can give for practice. Okay, now this practice includes everything: test series, subject wise test, mock test, PYQs, everything, workbooks, everything. Okay, so 30% will be practice. Might be the practice has a little bit more role in engineering services and SSC JEE exam, but in GATE, yes, it is important, but most important is concepts. Because engineering service examination, particularly prelims, if I say, the concepts are not that much deep as in GATE exam. So there the concepts part may be a little bit decreased and the practice part may be a little bit increased. Okay, so for GATE, concepts 50, practice 30, and the next part is the strategy, that is 15. Now, the concepts have to be studied of various subjects, but how much proportion it has to be given, that will be depending upon, of course, the weightage of that subject. That will be coming here. Now, this practice, how much questions for every subject, when to give the subject test, when to do the PYQs, how many times to do PYQs, when the full length test series has to be done, how to analyze them, that all will be coming in this strategy part. Okay, so strategy will be there, that how to get this and how to get this in this proportion, and further what is the sub proportions for every subject. Now 50 plus 30 plus 15, that is 95. Okay, so that 95 is there, but where is that 5? Okay, unfortunately I have to say this, that yes, as a teacher I have to use the word unfortunately. Unfortunately, that 5% is luck. Guys, as a teacher, as a mentor, I want that luck factor should be 0%. A student should be selected in a competition exam on the basis of its concepts, hard work, consistency and all. Not on the basis of luck, but unfortunately the harsh reality or the truth is that yes, the luck plays a big role. But how to deal with this, I am giving you the formula for that also. Guys, luck never plays that much big role that a student who is deserving 85 marks will be getting 30 marks. No. And luck is not playing the vice versa, that a student who is deserving 25 marks and 30 marks will be getting 90 marks. No. Luck plays always a minor role, 5%. Might be a student who is deserving 80 can get 83, 73, 75. A slight fluctuation is there. and to remove that part from your strategy, remove that part from your preparation, what should be done? I always tell to my students that your preparation, your target should be like that. Even the exam day in the February is your unluckiest day. Then also you are achieving your target. Then also you are achieving your goal. Your preparation should be like that. Let it be the unluckiest day. But my preparation, my concept should be like that. That in unluckiest day also, I am achieving my target, I am achieving my goal. That should be your strategy. So, particularly for GATE exam, concept is more important, then practice, then strategy. Like this, I always tell one thing, with the best of the concepts and very ordinary strategy, you will be getting a decent rank for sure. Best of the concepts and a decent strategy. But vice versa is not true for GATE exam. With average concepts and even the best of the strategies in this world, you might be not able to crack or not leave crack. Might be you're not able to just clear the cutoff also with best strategies and average concepts. But best of the concepts and a decent strategy, you are getting a decent rank, guys. So concepts are much more important than strategy. Strategy will be playing a catalyst role. But the main thing is the concepts, guys. Okay? Get the concepts. Study well, be consistent. The consistency, time management, discipline, everything is here, guys. Okay? When all these things are well and you are molding yourself in the right direction, nobody will be going to stop your rank in the GATE examination. For more queries, you can also ask me or join me in my Telegram group, that is Civil by Abhinav sir, where more than 4,800 or 4,700 students have joined. Have I missed some of the factors? Please let me know on the comment box. I'll be replying about that also. Thank you. Take care. Keep sharing this video to all your friends. Thank you.